past it. This is the bay that we're going to come into here. I'll just take you along the coast where I will be going in a bus. About 4 miles up and down hill to what we call the stacks, where the puffins and the other auks are way down there. So just come back like we go into this is Church Bay. I think there are 2 churches on the island. One's the Roman Catholic Church and one's a Protestant church. In fact, actually, there's one of the churches there. See? Sorry, this is moving a bit because, as I say, I'm on a boat. There's some of the newer houses. There's a bit of a furore by the islanders because they couldn't afford to buy them. Anyhow, let's see what else is around here that I can recognise. There's the hotel, which isn't open. Belonged to the National Trust, and I was told yesterday that the islanders have now taken it over. I don't know quite what they're going to do. Let's see what else is around here. Along there, Church Bay, there's one of the buses there, and there's a pub here somewhere. Maybe I've passed it. Some of the cows, the hills. Sorry. Well, there's a little cabin there, and that sells wonderful fish and chips. Well, that's where you eat, that little round place there. The Evans fish shop is just opposite, so you can walk all along here. I know that's the toilet block, children's area. There's the hotel again. There's the hotel. This is the harbour here. I'll just take it back a bit. There's the buses waiting for us. Take us to the stacks. There's something in the water there. I can't see for you a viewfinder, but it's probably an eider. There we are, coming up to the slipway. There's some more ducks diving for cover. Turning around a bit. Oh, it's quite I'm zooming around. There's quite a lot of eiders here in the bay. You can see. There's some eiders there. Oh. You see, they have already changed into their molt. Coming to this side of the pier. There we go. Now, for my bloggers and Facebook people and Google people, now we're going to explore Rathlin Island. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a journey. I think it took about 20 minutes. I didn't video it all. In fact, I couldn't get the video working properly. There's the hotel there now. I am hoping that the islanders do something with it. There's a shop in behind there. A very nice seafood shop actually. There's a pub along the way, can't see it.